Hello, welcome to Ritam Saha's multipurpose videos. Today I will be teaching you atoms and molecules. Yes, I know that now you are thinking that what is atoms and what are molecules. Okay, so wait. So today I am going to teach you that, and I want to tell you one more thing that in the today's experiment there is no such kind of experiments as in the atoms and molecules. I can't do any experiments. So in the today's video there is no experiments, but I will try to make the video better than the previous time. Previous time there was a little problem in my phone storage, so there was some cuts in the video. Don't mind, this time I will try to make the video more better than the previous one. Okay, so now let us don't waste time and start our today's video. Okay, so today at first we will be studying what is a molecule. So now what is a molecule? A molecule is the smallest. My handwriting is bad because it is in the board. As I have told you in the previous video that my board handwriting is very bad. The smallest divisible part of a substance. Okay, so what is molecule? A molecule is the smallest divisible part of a substance. Now if you are writing, so I would like to tell you that underline smallest and divisible. Okay, so what is a molecule? It is the smallest divisible part of a substance. Okay, so now let me explain it to you. A molecule, for example, you you take a skyscraper, as they are very much big. Some skyscrapers are above the height of the cloud. So as they are very so much big, so now at first they hold their substances which are used for making that skyscraper, like concrete. I am writing CO. Then cement. I am writing CM. Sorry. Okay, concrete, cement, then etc. Which are the things which are required for making these skyscrapers. Like it only each substances. Okay, each substances, anything. For example, as you can see the chalk in my hand. So the smallest particle means, in other words, you can't see with your naked eye. You are required to use a microscope for seeing it, the smallest part. So now that is known as a molecule. Okay, so this is a molecule. This was the definition. What? Smallest divisible part of a substance is known as a molecule. Okay, now as an example, you take a skyscraper. Like skyscrapers are made with as they are so much tall, but they are made from with so much small substances. Like for electrical things, we use wires and all. Like it only a substance need these molecules to make it to become. Okay, so now this was the explanation of molecule, and I am thinking that you will be not having any other problem in this molecules. Okay, this is a molecule. You can take it as a molecule, but it's not. Molecules are very tiny. You need to use a microscope for seeing it. Okay, so this was the complete explanation of molecule. As molecule is very easy. What? It is the smallest divisible part of a substance. For example, I have told you the example. Okay, so one time you see my board. Yes, so this was the explanation of molecules. Now let us come to atoms. Okay, so now we will be studying atoms. So what are atoms? Atoms are the smallest indivisible, it's not divisible, it's indivisible. Particle of any substance. Okay, so now what are atoms? Atoms are the smallest indivisible particle of any substance. It's completely sure that you can't understand my handwriting, so I am dictating. If you want, so you can write. Atoms are the smallest indivisible particles of any substance. Okay, means it can't be seen. It is only can be seen with the help of microscope. If you have a microscope in your house, but that home microscope will also not work. As for seeing atoms, there is a high, means very powerful microscope is required for seeing atoms. Like in molecules, it is not so much, but in atoms you need. And I want to tell you one more thing, that these atoms and molecules are smaller than bacteria and they are smaller than cells. Means bacteria and cells contain these molecules, even though are human also. See, each matter, anything around us, anything, air, water, solid things, liquid thing, anything around you have molecules and atoms. Okay, so inside the molecule there is atom. So now, as in the molecule, I have told you that as a skyscraper is made with concretes and all, like it only you take as a concrete is also made with one thing. Okay, like concrete, I don't really know through what does this concrete is made. So, but they are very small. So through that particle whole, that is only atom. It's just an example. It's not really. So now, as if you have understood atoms and molecules. Okay, so now as I am thinking that your confusion of these atoms and molecules has been completed completely. Okay, so if you like my video, so please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Till then, I will meet you next time. Bye.